The other big headline, in a rare admission, the sitting army chief of Pakistan, General Munir, has admitted to Pakistan Army's role in the Kargil war. Of course, extremely rare there, because we've seen in the past Pakistan sort of maintaining this narrative that it wasn't really Pakistani infiltrators who were involved in the Kargil war. The Kargil war, of course, known for its high altitude combat and its the war in brutal conditions. It was, of course, the capture of the Tiger Hill that really proved to be a turning point in the Kargil war, but extremely significant there, a sitting army chief of Pakistan there admitting to the army's role in the Kargil war. Listen.
यकीनन पाकिस्तानी कौम एक जर्री और बहादुर कौम है जो आज़ादी की अहमियत को निभाना और इसकी कीमत चुकाना अहसन तरीके से जानती है। 1948, 1965, 1971 या कारगिल की पाक बहारत जंगें हों या सियाचिन का महाज, हज़ारों शहदा वतन की सलामती और हुर्मत की खातिर कुर्बान हुए।
Let me go across live to my colleague Mohammad Ghazali joining us from the NDTV newsroom. So Ghazali, why is this significant? Of course, in the past we have seen people like Nawaz Sharif, also Pervez Musharraf admitting to the Pakistan Army's role, but a sitting army chief there admitting that the army was involved is extremely significant, given the fact that Pakistan has often maintained some sort of distancing itself from the Kargil war.
Yeah, and that is exactly why it's significant, because when the war broke out, when the infiltration happened, all this while the Pakistani army, the Pakistani government kept maintaining that these are the tribal leaders who have captured the land in the Indian territory. And even after the war was over, when Indian government spoke to their counterparts in Pakistan for handing over the people who were killed, they were from the Pakistani army, but yet the Pakistani government or the army didn't claim or didn't admit that these were from the army forces, the ones who were killed, and they didn't even accept the bodies. So, though there were many interceptions even during the war, when Mr. General Pervez Musharraf was intercepted talking to his subordinates during the war was on, that how it was the Pakistani army which was coordinating not only with the infiltrators, but their own men were part of the team which did the infiltration. But this is very significant at a time when the sitting chief of the Pakistani army is claiming, and he recounts of people who have been killed in the war, including 1965, 1971, and goes on to include Kargil also as one of the war where Pakistan's participation is very imminent and was very imminent. And his acceptance from a public forum while he was addressing an event for the Pakistani army makes India's stand vindicated everywhere, that how Pakistan has been fomenting trouble, how Pakistan has been even backing the infiltration in the Indian territory since 99 and even before that.